Guys, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying the day. And if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get my all videos notification at the first. Any file upload any video, then you will be the first viewer to see my video or be my video, guys. And after seeing this video, if you have any kind of doubts regarding this video or any video, content in the comment section. And after seeing this video, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe and press the bell icon and set it on all. And comment that how you feel after seeing this video, or if you have any kind of doubts regarding this video or any video. And the last video's link I will keep in the description. Please watch the last video, then only you will understand. So you guys please watch my last videos so that you will understand this part. So in the last part we have discussed about this one, part 4, unit of time. This all we have discussed up to where day we have discussed. And now we will start part 2, section B. It was all section A, and this will be section B. Okay guys, so the section B starts with the lunar month. What is the lunar month? The time period of revolution of Earth around the Sun, which takes 12 months, that is 354.37 days, approximately 354.37 days, which we call as 366 days, 365 days. Guys, so a lunar month is a month which take a time period of revolution when the revolution of Earth completed around the Sun by taking the time of 12 months or 354.37 days, approximately, that is 365 days, regarded as we called it, is called the lunar month. And the next is coming here is the month. What is this? I have made I have written by my own, guys, something. So see that what is I have written here. In an year there are 12 months. This all we know, guys. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. We all know this, guys. But here January, March, May, July and August and October and December are of 31 days, and April, June, September and November are of 30 days. In both these collections of 30 days of month and 31 days of month, I have not written or added February in both this list of months, because February is only the month which contains 28 days. Okay guys, so what I was telling, that in both this list of month I have not written February, because February is only the month which contain 28 days and 29 days in leap year. Okay guys, and these all 12 months has total of 365 days or 366 days in a leap year. LY means leap year. Okay guys, so that was the things of month gone here. So that's the thing of month gone here, guys. And now here is coming, that is year. We know that year is a month that consists of 12 days, 12 months. Sorry, I had told day, but it was 12 month. Okay, but here the original definition of year is that the time in which the earth complete its revolution around the sun is known as year. Okay guys, so when the earth complete its revolution around the sun is called a leap year. Okay guys, a year. And leap year, now here is coming, it is leap year. It is the year in which February is of 29 days. Well, know guys, and I have told in the in this of months. Now this is the new term, I think so you are not familiar with. It is decade. It is of 10 years. means when the revolution of earth completes in 10 years, it is known as decade. One decade is equals to 10 years, that equals to 3.1536 into 10 upon minus 8 plus 2 seconds. Now the next is coming, that is century. It is of 100 year. In it there will be 24 years of 366 days. A century is of 100 years, means when the earth's complete is a total revolution around the sun after 100 years, it is known as century. Okay guys, and in century there will be 24 years of 366 days, means only leap year, 24 leap years, 24 years of leap year will be there. Okay guys, and the next is millennium. It is of 1000 years. Millennium is of 1000 years, means when the revolution of earth completes around the sun after 1000 years, it is known as millennium. Now 1 million equals to 3.16 into 10 upon minus 2 days. Okay guys, and now we are starting a new topic, that is measurement of length. That is of it is also of lesson measurement and experimentation, but it is the second, means section B part 1. It is of section B part 1. Okay guys, in here list count of a measuring instrument. Guys, so what I was telling, that a list count of a measuring instrument. What are the measuring instruments that is used on list count? Measurement of physical quantity such as mass, volume, density, etc. That is okay guys. So measurement list count of a measuring instrument is used for the measurement of physical quantities, and a meter ruler is also used to measure length. In it, a meter rule means scale, is also used to measure length. Okay guys, and the least count of an instrument is the smallest instrument that can be taken accurately with it, and a least count of an instrument is the smallest instrument. Okay guys, means least count is the smallest instrument which can be taken accurately, means which can be measured accurately with it, means with least count. So this was only the introduction of measurement of experimentation lesson, measurement of length. In section B part A, one introduction I have given. Okay guys, and this one this part we have completed all things we have completed. If you have any kind of doubts, you can tell me in the comment section, and I am again repeating that if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get my all videos notification at the first, and if I upload any video, then you will be the first viewer to see my video or view my video. Friends, after seeing this video, if you have any kind of doubts regarding this video or any video, you can tell in the comment section, and after seeing this video, please like this video and share this video. Okay guys, thank you.